it up and put it in your bag. You see any more eggs? You better hurry.
Good job, Jack.
Oh, Jack, I see some in the kitchen too.
Just gotta watch what he's filming.
Luke, come in here. Luke, come here, buddy.
Dude, how many can you carry?
I can get it done.
Yeah.
Come here, Luke. Put it in your bag. Here. Here, Luke, look. You saw one up here.
I saw it.
Can we give that one to Luke?
Good job, Jack.
Here, Luke, come here, buddy. This will you and I look over here. Luke,
Look, I found some.
Where's that one?
That was right here.
Oh my
I
goodness.
see more over here, Jack.
I see more right here.
Look over here.
Ah, there's a one.
Another one.
There's one there.
Where?
There.
No, we wouldn't do that.
No, that
would
looks
we?
like an egg. It's just like a big bead, honey. It looks like that.
That's gonna be fun getting out.
I still see some over here.
Oh, oh. Oh.
Jack, where is...
Look at Mommy. Turn around and look at Mommy.
No.
Look at Mommy.
What is that?
Hi there. He's the most unobservant child. Hey, what was back there?
Just toys.
Oh my gosh, it's a basket. Is that your Easter basket?
Bob.
Bob! Here, get the whole basket out. I want to see the whole thing.
Look, there's scissors.
There's what? Oh my goodness.
So,
A measuring tape?
I don't have to measuring tape.
Wow. Well, what else is in there?
Scissors.
Do you have Bob? Is that seriously Bob?
Scissors.
Scissors? What is this?
This? Oh.
Is that a race car pretzel?
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I've never heard of such a thing.
Show Mommy.
That's pretty cool. We better eat. We can eat some of that after breakfast. Put it in your basket. What a great basket.
Jack, who brought all this stuff?
I don't know.
You don't?
What's this?
Looks like paintbrushes.
Oh.
Wow.
I found a book.
If you give a cat a cupcake.
Huh?
Awesome.
Huh?
How many eggs?